Begin removal by pushing the rear of the boot towards the front of the vehicle, red arrow. Once the boot has cleared the rear, lift up the back of the boot, red arrow. The front of the boot has a ridge in it that sits in the front of the shifter opening. If you try and lift this before sliding the boot forward and up, you will break this ridge off. Make sure the ridge is seated first when reinstalling. There are 4 T20 Torx screws, red arrows, that you need to remove. Use a trim removal tool and pry out the plastic caps, red arrow. Use a T20 Torx and remove the rear screw, red arrow. Open the ashtray compartment and remove the ashtray, green arrow. It just pulls straight up and out. Remove the T20 Torx screw below the ashtray, red arrow. Slide the ashtray unit forward, then up and out of the console, indicated by the red arrow. Flip the ashtray assembly over and unplug the cigarette lighter, red arrow, and detach where the wiring clips to the assembly go, yellow arrow. Remove the forward T20 Torx screw, red arrow. Slide the console up, red arrow, and back, yellow arrow. Use care so you don't break the piece. There is a trim piece below the climate control switches, green arrow, that you can remove separately or with the console. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.